Good afternoon. This is an exciting time at Avid. Over the past 12 months, we have a new CEO, Luis Hernandez Jr., and several new members of our executive leadership team, all focused on positioning the company to take advantage of changes in our industry. The industry is changing at a faster rate than ever before, which means more challenges than ever before. We continuously talk to our customers and review industry research from Price Waterhouse and Frost Sullivan. It's clear someone has to step forward and solve the industry's challenges. Here's what we heard. Technology has enabled almost every aspect of how we live to become increasingly digitized. This is having a massive impact on our industry. Current solutions are not integrated and don't address the industry needs. Content creators can no longer have the ability to dictate when, where, and how consumers view content. These changes have increased the cost complexity of monetizing assets. Cost pressures and the need to drive revenue growth are making a significant impact on how money is spent. Clearly, the industry needs more effective tools. Avid's opportunity? Enabling the connection between content creators and consumers. This chart shows a comparison between our industry and the finance industry. In the finance industry, the top 10 vendors represent about 50% market share. In our industry, the top 10 vendors represent 10 to 15% of market share. What that means to you, it takes your time and money to integrate and manage these disparate vendors and solutions. Here's another chart, comparison of the old life cycle and the new. The traditional value chain was controllable, linear, pretty straightforward. The new one is fluid, it's interactive, it's an iterative process. As an example, metadata analytics are used to examine why, when, and how consumers are enjoying media. By incorporating immediate feedback into the content creation process, producers can tailor their output to consumer needs, likes, and trends. An organization's ability to succeed depends on how aggressively it can adapt to the new realities. One thing remains clear: content is still king. High quality content is still the strongest driver for audience engagement. Today, the content creation and monetization processes are linked. This puts a premium on a single integrated solution across an entire workflow. New business models require a customer to get more out of each asset. They must create, access, distribute, and monetize content at a much lower cost. Organizations need technology partners who offer extensive industry expertise with a proven and trusted history of solving the industry's most complex problems. Avid's strategy? Avid Everywhere. This is a fight for the industry that we help to create. A leader needs to step forward, and Avid is positioned to assume this role. Avid Everywhere is our vision for connecting media organization with their audiences. With Avid Everywhere, this new value chain happens on one single, common, integrated platform, the Avid Media Central platform. We're taking all that is common across our entire product set and putting it under one common platform. We will have applications that perform unique functions. We'll unite Avid and third-party solutions and services. This is much more efficient than standalone siloed solutions. We're committed to ensuring that Avid Media Central platform allows for customers to choose how they want to deploy their media, on-premise, cloud, or some combination. The Avid Media Central platform encompasses 4 types of common services. Media services search and access everything on the platform regardless of the storage, the device, or the software that you're using. The Connectivity Toolkit allows third-party vendors to seamlessly be part of the workflow and be on the platform. And the Orchestration Engine automates processes and workflow to increase your productivity. And finally, User Administration and Configuration, a single sign-on into the platform and access through a common interface. Our path forward is made up of the Artist Suite, the Media Suite, and the Storage Suite. These include industry-leading artisan tools. For example, how about remote collaboration? You can collaborate with anyone, anywhere, access, edit, and share the same media. And protecting assets is difficult, sometimes finding them even more difficult. you need to be able to automatically tag your assets on the same platform that created them. That's what Media Suite provides. Ideally, you would like to access to any asset, anytime, anywhere, through any device. Very difficult today, if not impossible. What if we can connect you to all of your assets so you can search and move among them as though they were in one place? You may need to share assets, an easy, secure way to share files outside of your organization or maybe publicly. That's why we're creating the private and public marketplace. The good news, the technology at the core of Avid Everywhere is already developed and in use. As you can see here, this vision is a natural extension of our openness and innovation. The platform exists today, it's real, and it's supported by Avid Advantage and professional services. At NAB 2014 this year, we announced changes to our current product line and new products to support our vision. For example, Media Director orchestrates the process of ingesting media and production. Media Index extends file search access across multiple production systems, no matter where the media is stored. And finally, the Connectivity Toolkit, where we're going to be providing to third parties APIs and SDKs so that they can integrate their products into the platform. A critical part of the Avid Everywhere vision is that we will allow customers the flexibility on how they acquire our solutions. Perpetual licenses, floating licenses, subscription licenses, or any combination of those to suit your business needs. We won't force you into one choice. The media industry needs a leader to provide direction. Avid is uniquely positioned to assume this role. We have unmatched understanding of products and solutions. Only Avid combines the openness and flexibility and end-to-end media platform needs to meet the industry challenges. We care about our solutions. This is the only business Avid is in. 70% of our employees are professional users. Avid has the industry's most inspirational thought leaders, innovators, and storytellers as customers. With over 25 years of innovative solutions designed to integrate into the most complex workflows. Avid has a unique perspective for what the industry requires. Avid delivers on true innovation. We have over 200 patents. In addition, this past year we received 10 new patents and applied for 18 additional patents to support our Avid Everywhere vision. We believe in our vision, but we can't do it alone. We need you. Last year, Avid created the Avid Customer Association. This is our commitment to bring the entire media community together on solving the industry's challenges. Members include top-tier leaders among Avid's millions of global customers. This is the ACA organization. As you can see, we have a board of directors, several advisory councils. Keep in mind, the ACA is run by the ACA. It's not run by Avid. Additionally, the ACA helps direct Avid on how best to spend R&D dollars. This is the executive board of directors, and as you can see, it's a diverse group globally, coming from audio, video, and from broadcast industries. They help the direction setting for the ACA. This year, just prior to NAB 2014, we held the inaugural ACA event called Avid Connect 2014. We were hoping to attract about 500 attendees, and we had over 1,000. The response was overwhelming from around the world. Avid announced the Avid Everywhere vision, and we feel the response reflects the support for what we've been doing. This also marked the first formal meetings of the executive board and the advisory councils. Here's some of the comments after the conclusion of the Avid Connect. My favorite was very impressed with Avid Everywhere, completely end-to-end. I think that pretty much sums it up. So save the date for next year, again just prior to NAB, April 10th through the 12th, 2015 in Las Vegas, Nevada. Thank you very much for your attention.